What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we're getting ready to do a few installs, water pump and a thermostat on this 2015 Mustang GT. So stay past the intro and let's get to it. Alright guys, so I already removed a couple things off the vehicle, like the intake, coolant, hoses, upper and lower. We're gonna remove this thermostat so we can get it out the way so we can get straight to the water pump. And I like to just jump right into it. I don't want to do a whole bunch of taking a bunch of stuff off, so let's get right to what we're getting ready to change. And enough of me talking, so let me get this stuff off. These bolts right here are 8. Off like that. We got some corrosion going on right there from sealing up issues. Alright, now we can see our water pump. Now we gotta get our pulley off. Alright, let's get these bolts off. These are 10s. So, just for anybody that needs to know. 3 of them. And grab your pulley. Place it over there somewhere. Alright. There's your water pump. We need to get this bolt off, which is an 8. It over there. Okay. I'm gonna get this hose removed and that removed. Alright, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 water pump bolt. They all 10s. Get them out of there. One, two, three, 4. Like that. There it is. Alright, so we're putting the OEM water pump back in here. Alright. Alright guys, so I got the water pump installed and the thermostat already back installed, so that way we could just go ahead and put on our stuff back together. Lube this O-ring up with some oil or whatever you want to use. PB blaster, your choice. I know that this bolt right here ain't supposed to be there because it's too damn long. It's in no freaking way. So whoever had owned this car before this owner, don't let that bolt start to bug me. Now I'm about to go look at my shit. I know it ain't. Oh, right there. Like that. Get that all together. Alright, we pretty much got everything bolted up. Water pump, thermostat housing. And right here, this bolt supposed to be a flat bolt, kind of like this one down here. So what I did was I kind of just spaced this so this doesn't be rubbing. So what we're gonna do is finish putting the radiator hoses back on, and we're gonna get some coolant in it, start it up, bleed the cooler system, and then see how she does. All right, stay tuned. All right, we got everything back together. Cooler system secured, topped off. Now we're gonna start it, put the heat on, and bleed the cooler system. All right, so let's jump over to the car real quick. That forward time.